Hello guys, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Zedge app. To know how to fix or how to find the solution about Zedge app, you should just go to settings. In the first, you can go to apps and you can click on Zedge app. Then you can click on first stop and you can click OK. After that, you'll enter to the window of storage. Then you can click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can cause you errors or can delete your account. In the end, you can go to Play Store. You can search about this app, and if you'll find the update, you can update your app. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.